Hey, what's up, Tech Squad? It's your boy, Histransform, back with another mind-bending rumor dive that's got the Samsung fanbase straight up spiraling. Today, we're tackling this wild headline that's blowing up everywhere. New rumor claims the Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro doesn't exist. Yeah, you heard that right. For months, we've all been hyped on this idea of a Galaxy S26 Pro shaking things up. But now, poof, gone. Or is it? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down. The history, the twists, the specs we might actually get, and why Samsung might be playing 4D chess with our expectations. If you're as obsessed with flagships as I am, smash that like button, drop a sub if you haven't, and let's jump in. This is gonna be a ride. All right, first off, let's rewind the tape. Remember back in early 2025 when the Galaxy S25 dropped? Beast mode performance, that killer camera setup, and Samsung teasing us with whispers of what's next. Leakers, those shadowy tipsters on X and Reddit who somehow know Samsung's boardroom secrets, started dropping bombs about the S25's successor. They called it the Galaxy S26 Pro. Not just any phone, but a sleek mid-tier powerhouse slotted right between the base S26 and the ultra-premium S26 Ultra. It was going to have that premium vibe without the Ultra's insane price tag. Fans were eating it up. Finally, we said, Samsung's fixing their lineup. No more awkward Plus model that's just meh. But hold up. Rumor is going to rumor, right? Fast forward a few months and the plot thickens like a bad K-drama. Enter the Galaxy S26 Edge. Yeah, that one. Word on the street was this curvy-edged bad boy was set to straight up replace the S26 Plus. Why? Because apparently the Plus model's sales were tanking harder than a dropped phone without a case. People wanted something edgier, literally. Samsung's like, cool, Edge it is. Slim design, wraparound screen, all the vibes. We were sketching fan art, debating color options, the works. I even made a poll on my community tab, Edge or bust, and y'all voted Edge by a landslide. Then, bam, last week, a fresh leak hits from some Korean outlet that's usually spot on. It flips the script harder than a plot twist in a Marvel movie. No S26 Pro, no Edge revival. Instead, we're going old school with the classic trio, Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Just like the good old days of the S20s or S23s. The Plus ain't dead, it's thriving, baby. And the Edge? Canceled. Kaput. Why the U-turn? Sources say the prototype Edge tested like a dream in the lab, but real-world sales projections for its predecessor, remember that Galaxy S24 Edge flop, were so dismal Samsung hit the brakes. Ouch. It's like they built this hype machine, revved the engine, and then parked it in the garage. So why the heck is this happening? Why claim there's no S26 Pro now? Let's get real for a sec. Option 1. Pure chaos from the rumor mill. Leakers love the drama. It's clicks, it's views, it's their job security. Maybe some insider got wires crossed or it's just fanfic disguised as news. But come on, we've seen patterns. Samsung's notorious for testing the waters. Remember the Galaxy Fold drama? Or how they teased foldables for years before dropping them. This could be them floating balloons. Pro here, Edge there, to gauge what you, the fans, actually want. Drop a comment below. Pro or Plus? Edge revival or not? Option 2, and this one's juicier. Samsung's just waffling internally. Picture this. Design teams all in on the Pro for that balanced appeal. Marketing's pushing Edge for the cool factor. Execs crunch numbers and go, nah, stick to the safe bet. It's messy, right? Paint Samsung as this big tech giant that's not so sure-footed. Kind of like your uncle at Thanksgiving arguing over the turkey recipe. If true, it's not the glow-up we want. Samsung's chasing Apple and Google, but rumors like this make them look indecisive. Still, hey, better a confused giant than a boring one. At least it's keeping us talking. Now let's talk meat and potatoes, or should I say, silicon and batteries. If this lineup sticks, the Galaxy S26 base model is where the real glow-up happens. Powered by Samsung's homegrown Exynos 2600 in most markets, Europe, Asia, you name it, just like the S26 Plus. That's huge. Last year's Exynos 2500 was solid, but the 2600, whispers say it's hitting Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 levels on efficiency. Smoother gaming, longer streams, all without melting your pocket. Cameras? Playing it safe. No big leaps from the S25. That 50 megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto trio stays put.
Smart move if they're focusing elsewhere, but come on, Samsung, surprises next time. The real hero? Battery life. The S26 bumps up to a 4,300 mAh cell from the S25's 4,000 mAh. That's like adding an extra hour of TikTok scrolling or that intense PUBG session without hunting for a charger. Paired with smarter AI charging tweaks, it could be the endurance king. And the Ultra? Oh, don't sleep on it. Expect the usual overkill, 200 megapixel main cam, S Pen integration, that massive 6.8-inch QHD Plus screen. The Plus slots in as the value pick. Bigger than base, cheaper than Ultra. Solid ecosystem play. Whew, that's the tea, folks. So, is the S26 Pro really DOA or just on life support? We'll know for sure by early 2026 launch vibes, but until then, this rumor's got me side-eyeing Samsung hard. What do you think? Relief for the classic lineup or bummed about no Pro Spice? Hit the comments, vote in my poll, and if you want more leaks like this, turn on notifications.